In our tyGraph Enterprise product, one of the things that we're looking to do is pull together the data from multiple workloads. Think Yammer, Teams, SharePoint. And if you think about the Microsoft Viva strategy, that's very much what's happening. They're pulling all that data together and presenting it in one common platform. We also bring in other things that are super important for you. We'll bring in your audit level data. So think of all the activities that are happening in all these various platforms. We're bringing that in. We're bringing in your license data so that you can understand not only how people are using a platform, but what they're licensed for in concert with that. And most importantly, we're also bringing in your Azure Active Directory HR data. So think role, region, organizational hierarchy, departments, buildings, all of those types of things that you can now slice that data from. And of course, we know Azure Active Directory isn't always the most reliable data source. So we'll pull in data from Azure Active Directory as well as other source platforms like Workday. And we'll bring in that custom HR information and we'll put it in. And our value is bringing all this data together. One of the things that you get if you're pulling data manually is that you get inventory data, you get activity data, but our value is bringing that data together. We'll bring it together for you. We'll normalize it into a Power BI platform and give you those rich visualizations to really let you understand what's going on with your network. So that's the true value of tyGraph.